In a world full of trends, she chose transformation. While some scroll through fitness content, she's the one inspiring people to get up and move. From high energy Zumba sessions that feel more like celebrations to fitness coaching that empowers people to become their strongest selves. She has turned passion into purpose, and it doesn't stop there. She's built a growing community online, and every story reminds people that fitness is a lifestyle, not a destination.
Hello,
Hi.
roasted almond cold coffee.
Yeah, the regular one and along with Honest Sip.
A fitness coach, a Zumba trainer, a content creator, and a woman who's helping people build confidence one workout at a time. Today, we are stepping beyond the workouts and into the story behind the strength. Please welcome Urvi Parwani. Hi, Urvi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are
That's your coffee.
you? Oh, thank you so much.
And now we start the honest sip.
Great. Really excited. I was looking forward to it.
So, Urvi, welcome to the honest sip at Work Brew. I'm so happy to see you.
Same here. I'm really excited.
And you were so busy, and I think you have a very, very tight schedule, right?
Yeah.
So it was difficult to schedule this thing with you. But I'm happy that finally you can make it.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me.
So now, we'll be having a short podcast in which we'll be discussing things that people don't know about you, things that are not there on your social media. Okay. So let's begin with how did it all start for you? So, how did the career start? How did you come into this Zumba instructor, or how did you? Because today we all know that you have 5 outlets and everybody knows you, and you're I think the best Zumba instructor in the city.
Right.
So how did it all start? But
So when I started working, I was just 12-year-old and I started with the field of dance because I was somebody who used to dance all the time. In fact, मेरी reading भी dance करते करते करती थी. So it was kind of like blessing in disguise because I had to pay my own school fees. So what I did was I started teaching to small बच्चा like 3-4 years के बच्चों को मैंने डांस सिखाना start किया. Later I got to know about Zumba because dance still उस time पे बहुत बड़ा taboo था. People used to think dance is like a waste of time. You should focus on your studies. This is not a right profession to get into. Then I got to know about Zumba. So Zumba was not that popular in India back then. It was very popular in US. And through YouTube, I got to know about Zumba. I went for my training. I started teaching and I realized people are appreciating because their health is getting better and they are actually paying you, still they are appreciating you. And that was a field when I felt, yeah, मैं इसमें आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ. So this is how my journey started.
so आपने बोला that you started it when you were 12.
Yeah.
12 is like a kid. आप मतलब बच्चे थे. And you
Right.
also said that you did it because you had to pay for your fees.
Right.
So मतलब ऐसा क्या situation था कि आपको आपका fees pay करने के लिए because 12 तो you don't even realize कि what is money, value
Right.
क्या है money की, ये सब realization तब तो नहीं होता है. But how did it happen?
This is something which even my friends didn't knew back in school time and I never shared this thing in social media. और honestly किसी ने question भी नहीं पूछा कि why you had to start early.
Yeah.
People know I started early. We were from Ajmer, Rajasthan and alcohol वहाँ पे बहुत openly मिलता था. My father got into it too much like.
Yeah.
So we moved to Gujarat. The only reason was liquor यहाँ पे ban होता है.
Yeah,
But the
tri-state है.
situation is completely different. We all know that, right?
Yeah, but still मतलब एक
हाँ.
legally जब alcohol ban है
Hmm.
तो उतना easily available नहीं है किसी को भी.
But
I
still
think
जिसको चाहिए वो ढूंढ लेता है.
ढूंढ लेता है, वो बात सही है.
We all know turnover गुजरात में जितना है उतना कहीं नहीं है.
Right.
So we moved to Gujarat because of this reason, but situation was still same.
Oh.
Earlier we were in joint families, so still there was a support. But when we moved here, there was no support. So we still survived almost for 5 years without any kind of income. But then the moment we realized we have to earn, me and my sister, we started. She was 17, I was 12. We started earning.
Wow.
Even I was teaching, I was taking tuition classes. I was giving tuition classes actually at that time. So this is how we started. But we can say that was like blessing in disguise. I got my profession. नहीं तो आज शायद मैं भी कोई 9 to 5 की जॉब ही कर रही होती.
पर मतलब जैसा वो बोलते हैं कि समटाइम्स सिचुएशंस आपको ऐसी होती है कि आपको स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है एंड देन यू रियलाइज that you ended up doing something that you are passionate about.
Exactly.
So आज जो भी आप कर रहे हो, that is something that you love the most,
True.
and that is making money for you. So ये तो सही में blessings है.
Absolutely.
So I'm really happy that you could do it in this way, though you had to start really early, but also you took responsibility of the family or responsibility of yourself. So it's really मतलब really good thing. Great. So then back then when you started, that's how we understood that okay, now you figured out that you wanted to be a Zumba instructor because you loved the dance.
Right.
And then you came into Zumba. But how did your first dance studio came into place?
So I was teaching at a preschool, then at multiple location. लोगों के घर पे जाके मैं basically सिखाती थी, and I used to do freelancing also at different places. But कहीं पे भी जो respect मिलनी चाहिए ना वो नहीं मिलती थी. The major reason was my age.
Okay.
तो लोग उतना seriously नहीं लेते थे. And then school, when you are in 12th standard, post October, you don't have to go to school.
Right.
You just have to give your exams. That's
Right.
it. So that was the moment I realized, okay, मैं तो morning में free हूँ. Let me do something. So that was the time I rented out a studio on hourly basis.
Wow.
And this is how I started my journey back in 2016, January 2016. So when I started this, I had only 4 students. I knew these 4 people are gonna come. And I had a small speaker, 300 का मैंने उस time पे purchase किया था. No board, no marketing, Instagram was not there, Facebook was not that active at that time. So when I started teaching to those 4 people, I knew कि मेरा expense निकल जाएगा इसमें से. And within 15 days, that batch was of 30 people.
15 days.
15 days, yes.
Goosebumps when you said
Yeah.
15 days में 4 से 30 people. Wow.
But उसके पहले मेरा जो 6-7 years का जो journey था as a freelancer, so at least people knew me.
Right.
So maybe वो मेरे लिए एक added benefit था कि लोग मेरे पास easily आ गए. And then on 1st of Feb, I started with my second batch. You won't believe, on 5th of Feb, that batch was again full.
Wow.
Yeah.
So people loved you by then. People knew
Yes.
that you are a good dancer and you could teach them nice
Right.
dance. Right. Good. So one studio, 3 students. That's how you started.
4 students,
How many studios do you have today, and how many students do you have today?
So total 5 studios we have. We also do take online classes. Currently we have 36 batches in a day. And we have total 900 plus students.
4 to 900. How is the
Yes.
journey?
Journey was super beautiful.
But-
Many struggles, but बहुत मजा आया.
कोई एक स्ट्रगल आपको जो ऐसा फेस करना पड़ा हो इनिशियल टाइम पे, ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो?
So when you are into service industry और जब लोगों से इतना ज़्यादा प्यार मिलता है ना, so वो मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया था 4 to 5 years. So वो शेयर करना मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. एंड ऑल्सो मेरे बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये था कि लोग उतना मतलब अगर कोई मेरी टीम आती है तो उतना जस्टिफिकेशन दे पाएगी कि नहीं दे पाएगी. So I never had an admin team. मैं खुद कॉल्स लेती थी. I used to drive and take calls and then go to batches, take the batches. No team member. But then there was a turning point. So it was a day जब मेरा Times of India में इतना बड़ा फोटो आया था. I was on the front page. Happy Street हुआ था.
हाँ,
And
I
इतना बड़ा
remember,
फोटो आया था. So I was very happy about it. And मैं क्लास बंद करके सब निकल रही थी. And I fell off from the stairs. So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ठीक है कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. It's okay. I got up, I went to my next session, but then मेरा knee lock होना start हो गया. And after 13-14 days जब मैंने सब check करवाया, because वो बहुत serious condition था, but उस time पे I had 13 corporate sessions along with my classes, जो मैंने already commitment दे दिया था. Even one of the corporate session, FAG bearing का I was taking the session, I told them that this is the situation, मेरा knee lock हो जाता है, so maybe there is a chance कि ऐसा हो, and I was carrying a ice pack with me. So this is how I completed all my corporate session. I went for my MRI and each and every doctor told me that surgery के अलावा there is no option. When I got my surgery done, everything was done. Then doctor told me you have to stay on wheelchair for 1.5 months
Wow.
and forget Zumba for next 2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
And
yes.
that was the only thing that you were doing.
Yes. I had no team, nothing. Rents were on. And I still remember I was like मैं hospital में थी ना, तो my sister she said कि कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग मतलब property तो we cannot leave, so we have to give that rent
Rent.
studio का, right? So my sister said कि कोई बात नहीं, I will take 2 jobs, I will do night shift also, but तू stress मत ले. So that was the point when I realized कि ओ इतने साल काम करने के बाद भी we are still here.
कि हमको फिर से पूरा
फिर से वही
अटक
phase
गए।
में जाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ,
And that was the moment I realized कि I need a team.
right.
And on wheelchair, being on the bed, I started talking to people. I mainly started talking to my clients, जो housewife थी, जिनका dream था कि मुझे कुछ करना है, and I knew कि they are really good. वो अच्छा करते हैं, सालों से अच्छा करते हैं. तो I started reaching out to those people जो अपने एक shelf में already बंद है और वो कुछ करना चाहते हैं अपनी life में. And my team is just like that. All of them were housewife before. Now all of them are like superstar trainers.
आपके लाइफ में 2 डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस आई, दोनों को आपने अपॉर्चुनिटी में कन्वर्ट किया.
Right.
दैट्स रियली इम्प्रेसिव. और ये ब्रेन में आना, ये थॉट्स भी आना, दैट इज एंटरप्राइजिंग. मतलब आपको जब भी ऐसा सिचुएशन आया, आपने उसको राइट यूज किया.
Right.
बहुत लोग ऐसे सिचुएशन में डीमोटिवेट होकर छोड़ देते हैं,
Right.
जबकि आपने दोनों को अपॉर्चुनिटी में कन्वर्ट किया, विच इज रियली ग्रेट. ऑल्सो यू गिव अपॉर्चुनिटी टू दोज पीपल हु वांटेड टू जॉइन यू. मतलब
Yes.
उनको भी ऐसा होता होगा कि हमको कुछ करना है, तो यू नो, तो दे सी यू लाइक अ रोल मॉडल. उनके लिए तो आप मतलब ऐसा होगा कि वाओ, शी हेल्प. इट्स गुड. सो देन दिस इज योर जर्नी एज अ डांस ट्रेनर और अ जुम्बा इंस्ट्रक्टर, बट ऑल्सो there are a lot of followers on Instagram for you.
Right.
So how did your journey as this Instagram creator start?
So, you know, जिस टाइम पे रील्स का कोई टाइम नहीं था, I was doing Fun Street, Happy Street. At that time, I had around 9,000 or 10,000 followers. That time, people used to have 100, 200 followers, or maximum 500, 600 followers. I had 9, 10,000 followers, mainly because of Fun Street and Happy Street. Fun Street had 1 lakh ka crowd. It was crazy at that time, and I was doing back-to-back events. Happy Street also, जो कमाटी गार्डन के बाहर हो रहा था, and then Fun Street also, जो गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रही थी अकोटा पे. सो वो मेरे लिए ना एक एडेड बेनिफिट था. तो जब वो रील्स वाला टाइम आना स्टार्ट हुआ, व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई वाज जस्ट सिंपली पोस्टिंग माय रेगुलर क्लासेस का रील. आई वाज नॉट शूटिंग. इनफैक्ट इन टुडेज टाइम आई डोंट शूट कुछ अलग से. आई सिंपली टेक माई क्लास के वीडियोज एंड पोस्ट इट. पता नहीं चला कब चीज़ें वायरल होना स्टार्ट हुई. एंड यू नो, लेट मी टेल यू, पीपल नो मी एज अ जुम्बा गर्ल, बट आई एम नॉट a Zumba instructor. I'm actually a fitness instructor. I take acro yoga.
Wow.
I am a anti-gravity certified instructor. I'm a nutritionist also. So I take batches in a way that we make sure that 30% to cardio, 50% to strength training, and another 25-30% we give it to yoga, flexibility. So this is how we conduct classes. We are not only dependent on Zumba. So इससे benefit क्या होता है कि एक वो transformation का journey आना start होता है. So I am posting my regular videos. I'm posting my clients' transformation also. And every day you see something new. So you are seeing 2-3 videos of Zumba and suddenly boom, you are seeing chair workout video.
Right.
So things started getting viral and I realized, oh, मैं तो किसी और like एक segment में add on हो गई हूँ. सोचा ही नहीं था. Exactly. And during COVID, I realized कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा added benefit था, because लोगों के business shut down हो चुके थे. I was still conducting online classes, and at that time I was taking session for 3 big corporates, that to pan India, 12 sessions in a month. And for my people I was conducting Monday to Sunday का session online. Every day I was conducting क्योंकि कुछ करने को था नहीं. So I was just simply posting that. मुझे नहीं पता था मैं online continue करूँगी. In today we have around 350 or 400 people who are connected with us with our Zoom online sessions and everything.
Okay.
So yeah, that's.
And this journey as a creator, जो भी वो 9,000 से start हुआ और अभी that you are a great creator, how is this helping you in your own business?
Number one, number of students has increased. So before pandemic, I had 3 studios. वो भी मेरे near by ही थे, like in the radius of 4 to 5 kilometer max, so that I can reach to all the places. So I had to shut down 2 of my centers, which were located at Sama and Kareli Bagh.
In COVID.
In COVID, yes, of course, because 3 centers, 3 rents is not possible for me. So what happened was when we started online, I realized, oh, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, and
कुछ
एक
नया है।
क्रिएटर होने के साथ ये बहुत बड़ा एडेड बेनिफिट है, जहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल इंस्ट्रक्टर को हार्डली 5-6 लोग कनेक्ट करेंगे, वहाँ मुझे 500-600 लोग कनेक्ट कर रहे थे. So then what I did was, post pandemic, I continued with my online sessions. Now we have 10 online sessions on Zoom every day. Monday to Friday we have those sessions. So that is only and only because of my Instagram profile. Also, when I visited US, because of my Instagram profile, somebody reached out to me, "Kyo, you are in Seattle, can you conduct a class for us?"
Oh.
And I went there. I got almost 7 to 8 sessions during that trip. I took a lot of sessions over there.
So this was not part of the plan. It just happened.
It just happened because of Instagram.
Right. No, I'm saying the Instagram was also not part of the plan, right?
No,
That
Instagram
also
was not
happened.
part of
मतलब you never thought कि यार मेरे को एक क्रिएटर बनना है, मेरे को इतने फॉलोअर्स चाहिए, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं था.
कभी नहीं था ऐसा.
और अभी ऐसा है कि वो ऑटोमेटिक ही बढ़ रहा है.
वो ऑटोमेटिक ही बढ़ रहा है.
तो is it that extra effort that you're putting in to grow your Instagram profile कि वो ऑटोमेटिक जैसा चल रहा है वैसा ही चल रहा है?
ऑटोमेटिक चल रहा है, बट हाँ, एफर्ट्स एक आता है, पोस्टिंग, एडिटिंग, ठीक है, बट दैट इज हैपनिंग. आई एम ऑनेस्टली, मैं उतने एफर्ट्स नहीं डाली जितना लोग जनरली क्रिएटर्स डालते हैं. और आई हैव मेनी पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग्स ऑल्सो, जो यूएस बेस्ड क्लाइंट है, कैनेडियन क्लाइंट्स है, ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम.
Okay. And जो आपका क्रिएटर प्रोफाइल है, ये आप खुद मैनेज करते हो या you have an agency which takes care
आई
of
हैव
it?
माई ओन in-house team for that.
In-house team.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have learned that your team is important.
Yes, absolutely.
Great. So, being a creator, we all know that now there's a term called creator economy. And sometimes, creators get paid more than any other businesses.
Right.
So, are you using your profile for all the other branding and marketing things, or you're just using for your own business?
I can say combination of both. So it is helping me to grow my business also, but at the same time, I'm doing a lot of brand endorsement. But I make sure I'm not going for any random brands. I do try their products first, then only I
If you
do
like
some
it, then
dealing.
you
Yes.
promote.
Because I have my own crowd with me. It's not only about Instagram followers. I have 900 people who are following me. I've trained more than 10,000 females,
Oh, wow.
right? Only in Vadodara. So I know they are going to watch my reel and they are going to buy something. So we had this, recently we have done this marathon, Sterling Marathon. And they were like, hey, participation होगा नहीं होगा 5 days before. And 4 days पहले मुझे reel डालना था before the marathon. When the reel went on, the difference was कि उन लोगों का registration बंद हो गया. Their target was just 500-600 people. उन्होंने already 1500 cross कर दिया. उसके बाद तो उन्होंने मेरे students को ही registration नहीं दिया है
Oh.
because of that reel. So
मतलब all of your reels have great reach.
yes.
तो कोई भी ब्रांड अगर आपके साथ कोलैब कर रहा है या कोई भी ब्रांडिंग में if you're working with them, तो they will definitely have मतलब a good advantage out of it.
Right.
So that's why I ask, with your business you're helping others as well.
Right.
So एक रील जो मेरे फीड पे बहुत बार आया है वो है आपका चेयर वर्कआउट वाला रील एंड इट हैज सम क्रेजी रीच.
True.
टेल मी मोर अबाउट इट.
So that reel got 70 million views and a lot of Bollywood celebrities tried that reel, recreate किया गया. Also, that one reel brought me an opportunity जो finalize नहीं हुई, but at least I could reach there. So, you know that pre-wedding festivities was happening in Jamnagar.
हाँ.
So I was in Bali at that time. I was training to Mrs. India pageant people. And they couldn't reach me out, but they reached out to my team. They said ki there is a big pre-wedding festivities happening in Jamnagar, and we want Urvi to come there and take that chair workout session. So what happened was my team couldn't reach me on that day.
Oh.
But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We had conversation, things got finalized. We in fact signed NDA form for that. When the moment I realized it is basically Ambani's wedding.
Yeah.
But I don't know what happened after that. We in fact signed NDA form, non-disclosure form, right? something happened, that event company never came back. We asked them again after a month what happened. So they said ki we just simply cancelled the whole fitness format what we were planning, but
अच्छा.
at least I could reach there. So
But
वो एक
at
बहुत
least
बड़ी
they
बात है.
spotted you and then they
Yes.
wanted you to be part of it. That is a big thing.
Yeah.
So you love dancing so much since you were a kid, and I am assuming that if you're so much into dance, I'm sure you love clubbing and parties and all these things.
Not at all. I'm
Not at all.
extremely introvert in that case.
Wow, you love dance, but still you're introvert.
Yes.
So
I get ready for functions and everything to go somewhere, but at the end I just feel like no, I want to sit home and watch Friends.
watch Friends.
Yeah.
So do you have too many friends?
I do have friends, but I cannot say I have too many friends. I have limited amount of friends whom I love a lot.
Limited,
That is my comfort zone.
small circle, but a good
Yes.
circle.
So I'm introvert in the beginning, then later when I'm comfortable, I'm extremely extrovert also.
Okay. So you're an extrovert with your group, your
Yes.
circle. Nice. That's something different. So you are the person who likes to dance, loves to dance, but for yourself.
Yes.
Nice. Also, on your Instagram, we have seen that you got engaged.
Yeah.
And you visit US a lot to meet your fiance. So are you planning to move to US after you get married?
Not at all. But ये क्वेश्चन मुझे इतना ज़्यादा आता है. Why people think कि एक लड़की है उसी की लाइफ पूरी शिफ्ट होने वाली है. No, he is going to come back next year for me.
वाह.
Yes,
तो आपने ये पूरा चेंज कर दिया है.
Yeah.
उसको आपके लिए वापस आना पड़ रहा है.
definitely.
Also, I know that what I observed, you have a nice Thar and you are passionate about bikes and cars.
Right.
So do you go on the rides as well? Do you go on off-road
I do
things?
go. I have a Bullet as well, Royal Enfield.
Nice.
And दोनों black color के, दोनों का number same है. So I am very much passionate about bikes and cars.
And do you wish to go on long rides?
I do wish, but what happens is कि मेरा जो profession है वो हमेशा clash हो जाता है. Whenever I think of going on bike ride with some group, I'm part of few groups, but मेरे को events आ जाते हैं.
But आपको ऐसा plan करना चाहिए कि you should take out time and then take out your bike and go to Ladakh or Goa or somewhere in winters, not in the summers. But
Right. Maybe.
Oh.
Hopefully.
and I'm sure that you will love it because you are into automobiles.
I'm definitely going to try that.
Someday, if you want to ride, we can go together as well.
Definitely done.
So I wanted to know, how did you meet your boyfriend?
So he is my teen crush.
You're blushing. yeah.
So we met through one of my student. वो उनके nephew थे. So when I met him, I felt like, oh, he is very different. Like मैंने सिंधी लड़कों को थोड़ा different देखा था, and he was very different. I was always like, I will never marry a Sindhi guy because वो बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत male dominant होते हैं. But he was a very different person. So I started liking him. I told him, I proposed him, but he said no.
He said no.
Yeah.
बाप रे. And then you took the revenge कि अब दिखा तेरे को मानना ही पड़ेगा.
So it actually started like, मतलब मैं थोड़ी ऐसी थी, if I am liking a guy और अगर लोग जानते हैं उसके बारे में and if they are teasing me, तो मैं उसको राखी बांध दूंगी. ये मैंने बचपन से बहुत किया है. So मैंने सेम चीज़ यहाँ पे की थी. पहले मैंने इसको राखी बांधी थी और राखी बांधने के बाद क्या हुआ, we started talking. He wrote a letter to me, first letter, hi बहना, हा ऐसा करके. So then we started talking. उसके पहले हम जानते थे एक दूसरे को, but because of that राखी we actually started talking and then I fell for him.
ये राखी वाला मेरे साथ भी हुआ है.
The moment I realized कि okay, I really like him, I proposed him, but he was very clear that he don't want to live in India, he want to move. So he was here, like we were together almost for 4 years, but then when he left, we broke up.
Oh, so you dated for 4 years, then you broke up because he left.
Yeah, because he was very sure he don't want to come back. And I was very sure I want to stay here. So that was the time when I was extremely depressed, almost for 2-3 months.
Oh.
1 month I didn't take any session. I went to Rishikesh for my yoga training. And I was bunking so many classes over there because I was not happy inside. I don't know why, but I was very sure about this guy. So I waited for 1 year for him to come back. When he visited India, he was then again sure about me. So
when he went there, he got sure about you?
yeah, he kind of realized that okay, he like I'm a right person for him.
जब दूर जाते हो तभी
दूर
realize
जाके
होता है.
realize होता है, yes. So then he asked me again. you will move for me or you want me to move? So I said, you have to move back. I have my whole family here. I have my centers, so many students. I cannot leave this.
Right.
So then he said, I'll come back for you, but just give me some time. So we are in long distance from last 4 years, but still I'm very happy.
And now finally he's coming back.
Yes.
When is he coming back?
He's coming back next year.
And then you're getting married.
Yes.
So the good news is that you are not going to USA. So
No.
I think your clients will be the happiest of this.
Yes.
They'll still have you over here.
Right.
Okay, so now we're gonna play a fun game. Simple, this or that.
Okay.
But be quick on it.
Okay.
Shake hips or break hearts.
Shake hips.
Zumba crush or gym crush.
Zumba crush.
Sweat glow or makeup glow.
Sweat glow.
Salsa mood or Bollywood mood.
Bollywood mood.
Cute moves or killer moves.
Killer moves.
Dance first or flirt first.
Dance.
Dance is your love.
Yes.
Loud beats or louder screams.
Loud beats.
Cardio queen or dance diva.
Cardio queen.
One more song or one more selfie.
One more song.
Studio lights or spotlight vibes.
Studio lights.
Smooth moves or spicy moves.
Spicy moves.
Burn calories or steal attention.
Burn calories.
That's it. So that was Honest Sip at Work Brew, where behind every frame there is a real story.